students. Today this is the second video of chapter 2 fraction. We will continue. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Three upon 4, 2 upon 3, 7 upon 6 and 1 upon 2. All these are unlike fraction. How? Because the denominator of all fraction are different. That's why all these are unlike fraction. So first we will equalize the denominator of all fractions. Then we will take LCM 4, 3, 6 and 2. For equalizing the denominator, we will take the LCM of denominator. So LCM of 4, 3, 6 and 2 is equals to 12. So 3 upon 4, we will make the denominator equals to 12. Then we will multiply by 3 in denominator and numerator. It will be 9 upon 12. Same process in this. 3 into 4 into 4, 8 upon 12. Same. 7 upon 6, 6 into 2, 12, 7 into 2 equals to 14 upon 12. 1 upon 2, 2 into 6 equals to 12. 1 into 6, that is 6 upon 12. Now this is 9 upon 12, 8 upon 12, 14 upon 12 and 6 upon 12. Now we will check which numerator is greatest. 14, so it will be greater, and this is smaller, so this will be smallest. Now arrange this into ascending order. First smallest 6 upon 12, then 8 upon 12, then 9 upon 12 and last 14 upon 12. So 6 upon 12, 8 upon 12, 9 upon 12 and 14 upon 12. So original fraction of 6 upon 12 was 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4 and 7 upon 6. One of my students asked me if all the numerator ma'am, if all the numerator are same and denominator are different, then how we will arrange the fractions into ascending or descending order. So look here, I have taken some example. 18 upon 57, 18 upon 29, 18 upon 100, 18 upon 13, 18 upon 501. Nothing. हमें कुछ नहीं करना है इसमें. हमें ये देखना है कि न्यूमरेटर सभी में सेम है. जिस भी जो भी डिनोमिनेटर सबसे ग्रेटर होगा वो फ्रैक्शन उतना ही स्मॉलर होगा. तो सबसे ग्रेटर डिनोमिनेटर किसका है? ये 501. सो दिस विल बी द स्मॉलेस्ट फ्रैक्शन. नेक्स्ट सबसे छोटा डिनोमिनेटर किसका है? ये वाला 13. तो दिस विल बी ग्रेटेस्ट. इसमें हमें कुछ नहीं करना था, बस वी हैव टू चेक दैट which denominator is greatest, that will be the smallest fraction, and the denominator is smallest, that fraction will be greatest. So we have to write this in descending order. So greater one is 18 upon 13, then 18 upon 29, then 18 upon 57, then 18 upon 100 and last 18 upon 501. This will be the smallest fraction. चलो मैं इसके लिए एक एग्जाम्पल और देती हूँ आपको. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, सपोज 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 5. So I have taken another example, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 5, and I have to arrange all these fraction in ascending order. इसके लिए मैं आपको डेसिमल में वैल्यू निकाल के दिखाती हूँ. 1 upon 2 डेसिमल वैल्यू 0.5, 1 upon 3 डेसिमल वैल्यू 0.33, 1 upon 4 डेसिमल वैल्यू 0.25, 1 upon 5 डेसिमल वैल्यू 0.2. अब आपने देखा जिसका भी डिनोमिनेटर ग्रेटेस्ट है उसकी वैल्यू सब में स्मॉलर है, और जिसका डिनोमिनेटर सबसे स्मॉलर है उसकी वैल्यू डेसिमल में सबसे ग्रेटर है. तो यही कॉन्सेप्ट इसमें था जिसका भी डिनोमिनेटर सबसे बड़ा होगा वो फ्रैक्शन सबसे छोटा होगा, और जिसका भी डिनोमिनेटर सबसे छोटा होगा वो फ्रैक्शन सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट होगा. सो नाउ वी हैव टू अरेंज दिस इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. तो स्मॉलर वन इज 0.2, then 0.25, next 0.33, and last 0.5. 0.2 is the fraction of value of 1 upon 5, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 3, and 1 upon 2. I hope all you have clear this. Now we will start addition and subtraction of fractions. In previous video I have told you like and unlike fraction. I hope you all have remember. Like fraction in which denominator are same. So if you have to add like fraction, that means suppose 3 upon 4 plus 7 upon 4 plus 19 upon 4. These three are like fractions, so we can directly add numerators. So 3 plus 7 plus 19 upon 4, and the answer is 10 plus 19, 29 upon 4. We can easily add or subtract like fraction, but the main thing is how we will add unlike fraction. What are unlike fraction? The fraction in which denominator are different. So another example for unlike fraction is 8 upon 5 plus 7 upon 10 plus 3 upon 2, and we have to add these three fractions. So we will equalize the denominator. How we will equalize denominator? By taking LCM. So LCM of 5, 10 and 2 equals to 10. So 8 upon 5, we have to make this 10. So 5 multiplied 2 is 10. We will multiply 2 in numerator also, that this is 16 upon 10. 7 upon 10 already 10 है, इसको बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है हमें. 3 upon 2, 2 इसको हमें 10 बनाना था, that means 2 into 5 into 5. This is 15 upon 10. अब तीनों को ऐड करेंगे. 16 upon 10 plus 7 upon 10 plus 15 upon 10. Now this is like, these are like fractions, so we can add 16, 7, 23, 23 plus 15 upon 10. This is 38 upon 10 is our answer. Here I am taking another example of subtraction. This is mixed fraction. So first I will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Process I have told you in previous video that how will you convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 5, 23 upon 9. 15 1s are 15, 15 plus 7, 22 upon 15. Now we will equalize the denominator. LCM of 9 and 15 equals to 45. So 23 upon 9, 9 5s are 45 into 5, जिस नंबर से हम नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसी में न्यूमरेटर से करेंगे, माइनस 22 अपॉन 15, 15 3s are 45 into 3, 115 upon 45 minus 66 upon 45. Now these two are into like fraction. Easily we can solve now. 115 minus 66. So your answer is so this is our answer. This is, we can convert this into mixed fraction also. Our next topic is multiplication of fractions. How you will multiply fraction. Suppose we have to multiply a fraction by whole number. We have fraction P upon Q, and we have to multiply this a whole number C. Okay, then we will multiply this whole number, or we can write here 1. So this is numerator multiply numerator and denominator multiply denominator. That means P into C upon Q into 1. So the answer will be P into C upon Q. I am taking example 3 upon 17 into 15. 15 is a whole number and 3 upon 17 is a fraction. So we can write here 1. So this is 3 into 15 upon 17 into 1. This will be 45 upon 17. Another is multiplication of fraction by a fraction. We have to multiply two fractions. Suppose P upon Q multiply R upon S. These are two fractions. So multiplication of fraction equals to N for numerator. Numerator multiply numerator upon D. D for denominator. Denominator into denominator. So numerator is P and R. So P into R upon Q into S. An example 4 upon 3 multiply 2 upon 7. So here 4 into 2 upon 3 into 7, that is 8 upon 21. एक चीज़ आप ध्यान रखना, जब भी हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे अगर कोई कट हो रहा है, लोवेस्ट टर्म में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, तो आप उसको इधर ही लोवेस्ट टर्म में कन्वर्ट करके तब आप आंसर लिखोगे. क्लियर? दिस इज अनदर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ टू फ्रैक्शंस. 16 upon 5 into 17 upon 12. So product will be numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 5 into 12. Now 16 and 12 को हम इधर कट कर सकते हैं because the common factor of both number is 4. 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. Now 4 into 17, 5 into 3. अब न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में चेक करेंगे हम, ऐसा कोई नंबर तो नहीं है जो कट जाए ऊपर से नीचे, तो ऐसा कोई नंबर नहीं है इधर. 4 into 17 68, 5 into 3 15. This is your answer. Next is off. What is the meaning of this off? Off is also mean multiplication. For example, आपको एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चन इस तरह से दिया गया होगा, फाइंड 1 upon 3 of 24. तो ऑफ कुछ नहीं है, दिस इज ऑल्सो मल्टीप्लीकेशन. So 1 upon 3 of 24 means 1 upon 3 multiplied 24. 1/3 part of 24. 3 8s are 24. So answer is 8. Here I am taking another two example of 1 upon 5 of 1000 kg. So I have told you we will write at the place of multiplication 1000 kg. 5 से 1000 आप कट कर सकते हो 200 times. So answer is 200 kg. Next is 2 upon 3 of 60 hours. So इस क्वेश्चन में आपसे पूछा है what will be the 2/3 of 60 hours. 3 से 60 को हम कट करेंगे, 3 2s are 6 20 times. So answer is 40 hours. एक चीज़ आप लोग याद रखना, सबसे ज़्यादा मिस्टेक जो आप करते हो, आप न्यूमरेटर से न्यूमरेटर कट करते हो. दैट इज़ फॉल्स. न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर कट कर सकते हो, या डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमरेटर. न्यूमरेटर से न्यूमरेटर कभी कट नहीं होता. ठीक है. सो इट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल टेल यू हाउ वी विल डिवाइड फ्रैक्शन एंड one more term, that is reciprocal. Thank you.